Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is Monday, 31st August 2020. Welcome to our regular online class. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. Today we discuss about model question number 28 to 36, question number 6 to 8. I am Meena Jahan Akhi, Assistant English Teacher of Platfair School. So let's start our topic, model question 28 to 36. Model question 28, number 6. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. 2. Started and bought on at. Opportunity, full, enjoyed, number, the, by. Whenever I get an opportunity to make a journey by boat, I make the best use of the opportunity. A few days ago, I made a journey by boat. We are 4 in number. We hired a big boat. The boatmen were very nice people. We started at 8 a.m. The sky was clear. The river was calm. It was full to the brim. Our boatman rowed for a while and then set sail. The boat began to move. There were small waves in the river. We enjoyed the scenes on the both sides of the river. Number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. In the past, men would use brick to make heavy building. Even today, there are many heavy brick built buildings. But nowadays, modern builders not only use brick but also many other things. Today, many multi-storied buildings are being built in the big cities. A stone is also used in the building a heavy building. A stone is also used in building a heavy building. Today, buildings materials are available. Number 8. Match the part. Number 8. Match the part of sentences from columns A and B to make 5 complete sentences. Hazrat Shah Jalan International Airport is the largest airport in Bangladesh. It is located in the capital Dhaka. It is the hub of all Bangladesh Airlines. The airport has an area of 1,081. It is the hub of all Bangladesh Airlines. Number 4. The airport has an area of 1,981 acres. Number 5. The airport has a capacity of 8 million passengers per year. Model question 29, number 6. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used only. Traveling is a part of education. A traveler can learn many things. A traveler can learn many things by traveling home and abroad. Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. He traveled many countries. He traveled many countries and learned many things. so a student should travel and can widen the domain of his knowledge through traveling. Now we discuss model question 30. Number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Birds begin to sing with the sun rising and go back their nest at the sunset. In winter, people bask in the sun. Many things are dried in the sun. The sun having risen, people go to their work. Model question 31. Number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. Tea is a popular drink. Almost everybody likes to drink tea. When we are tired, we drink tea. By drinking tea, we remove our tiredness. Bangladesh produces a lot of tea. Many other countries of the world also produce tea. Some other countries are trying to produce tea. Number 8. Match the part of sentences from columns A and B to make 5 complete sentences. Number A. Newspaper carries news and views of home and abroad to us. In the morning, we wait eagerly for a newspaper. We cannot have our breakfast without a newspaper of the day. Number 4. It is a part and parcel in our day-to-day life. Number 5. There are many kinds of newspaper. Model question 32. Number 6. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. The danger of population is increasing day by day. Fumes and smoke from motor vehicles, mills and factories are polluting the city air. The water of the sea is getting polluted by industrial waste, chemicals and other poisons. Large scale cutting down of forest is going on everywhere. In Brazil, for instance, wide areas of forest are being cleared and burned almost every day. The effects of all these on agriculture, on food supplies, above all on climate are disastrous. Model question 33. Number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. We live in Bangladesh. We speak Bangla. The area of our country is very small, but our population is more. Most of the people of the country are Muslims. There are also Hindus, Buddhists and Christians. 90% of the people live in the village. Most of the villagers are farmers. They depend on agriculture. They work very hard. Model question 34. Number 8. Match the part of sentences from columns A and B to make 5 complete sentences. People do not eat the same food all over the world. It varies from place to place. The eating habits of the people of a country depend on its geographical position, climate and soil. People in the tropical countries eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. The chief foods of the people of Hawaii and Polynesia are taro roots, breadfruit and seafood. Model question 35, number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. There are many rivers in Bangladesh. In the rainy season, all the rivers are full to the brim. Then they look very beautiful. Sometimes they overflow their banks. For this reason, many places go underwater. At that time, people cannot move easily. Model question 36, number 8. Match the part of sentences from columns A and B to make 5 complete sentences. Friction between teenagers and parents is very common. It can certainly be avoided if parents are wise and tactful. The more the parents try to control, the more they become rebellious. Another source of friction is the difficult behavior of the adolescents. They are against the ways and thoughts of the older generation. Dear students, today we touch model question 28 to 36, number 68. Another part of the question number we complete in our class time. Thank you all, dear students. Stay home, stay safe, stay with learning. Allah Hafiz.